SCARF is Sunlight Children's Advocacy and Rights Foundation, and it was incorporated in 2004. We work with victims of child abuse. We currently have two separate programs. One is Sunlight Child Advocacy Center and the other is Sunshine Children's Home. In the future, we are looking towards providing a visitation and exchange center, which would be a place for court-ordered supervised visitation and custody exchanges.
The CAC has an interview room that is utilized to conduct forensic interviews of the children that have disclosed the abuse. It is equipped with audio and video recording. That audio and video recording is then provided to all the agencies that are working with that family and child, including law enforcement, the county attorney's office, child protective services, so that it's one comprehensive interview. When children used to report being abused, they typically would go through several different interviews. If they disclosed at school to, say, a teacher, a lot of times the school would have the child go then talk to the nurse and then talk to the principal. The child could have to go to a medical professional who would ask them the same questions. It would go to the county attorney's office or prosecutor's office, who would ask the child the same questions again. Through that process, it becomes less and less likely that the story remains the same and consistent, and that the child wants to continue to tell their story.
When I heard about Sunlight Child Advocacy Center and the model there, I just was blown away. The children go there, they tell their story one time usually, and there's a whole team of professionals that wrap their arms around the case, around the children, around the families.
The Children's Home serves children who are in police protective custody. They've been removed from their home by law enforcement. We can take up to 15 children at a time. We keep them safe and feed them, shelter them, clothe them, provide for all their basic needs while they are away from their families. Our children get removed from their homes due to abuse and neglect and abandonment. And that could be physical or sexual abuse, mental abuse. Neglect is anything from not providing proper physical and medical care to a dirty home with unhealthy living conditions. We've had children that come to us and their homes are full of cockroaches and feces.
When we were putting this home together, our continual goal, we never let it get away from us, was to have this be a home and not be like an institution. So these kids could walk in at 2 o'clock in the morning or at 10 o'clock in the evening and feel comfortable and be at home.
Everything in the home is geared towards the children. We want it to be a home for the kids so they can hang out, have fun, and just relax while they're here. One of our main focuses also was keeping sibling groups together, and we have done that. It's very rare that we don't have the whole sibling group here unless it's by choice of the agency that's bringing the kids to us.
I've been working with children who have experienced abuse for almost 10 years because I feel like they are our future and they deserve the best chance at a healthy life, and us providing these services to them is what gives them that opportunity.
We feel it's necessary to have the Children's Home because of the number of children in need. In just over 2 years, we've served over 900 children, and I'm not 100% sure those children would have been able to be served by all the other agencies across the state.
You go back to the goal of SCARF. The main purpose is to make things better for these victims of child abuse, and I feel like we're really helping with that.